Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today we will learn 100 advanced English vocabs. And these vocabs will be helpful in improving English. So let's get started. And the first word is emphasize. It means महत्व देना and to give attention. And the second word is enthusiasm. It means excitement and its Hindi meaning is उत्साह. And the next word is authentic. It means actual and its Hindi meaning is प्रामाणिक और विश्वसनीय. And the next word is evolve. It means develop and its Hindi meaning is विकसित होना. And the next one is felicitate. It means congratulate and its Hindi meaning is बधाई देना. Exhausted. It means tired and its Hindi meaning is थका हुआ. Generous means kind-hearted or charitable and its Hindi meaning is उदार. Profound means extreme and its Hindi meaning is गंभीर या गहरा. Starving means lack of food and its Hindi meaning is भूख लगना. The next word is indolent. It means lazy and its Hindi meaning is आलसी. Sophisticated. It means mature and its Hindi meaning is विवेकी. Intervene. It means interfere and its Hindi meaning is हस्तक्षेप करना. Fatigue means tiredness and its Hindi meaning is थकान. Demonstrate means display and its Hindi meaning is प्रदर्शन करना. Tolerant means patient and its Hindi meaning is सहनशील. Anxious means worried and its Hindi meaning is चिंतित. The next vocab is accurate. It means correct and its Hindi meaning is सही. Hilarious means extremely funny and its Hindi meaning is मजाकिया. Beneficial means useful and profitable and its Hindi meaning is लाभदायक. Magnificent means impressive and its Hindi meaning is भव्य या शानदार. Neutral means unbiased and its Hindi meaning is निष्पक्ष. Sufficient. It means enough and its Hindi meaning is पर्याप्त. Inaccurate means incorrect and its meaning is गलत या त्रुटिपूर्ण. Initiate means start and begin and its Hindi meaning is आरंभ करना. Astonishing means amazing and very surprising and its meaning is आश्चर्यजनक. The next one is frosty. It means wintry and cold and its Hindi meaning is ठंडा. Twisted. It means bend and its Hindi meaning is उलझा हुआ. Procedure. It means method and its Hindi meaning is प्रक्रिया. Humorous. It means amusing and funny and its meaning is हास्यपूर्ण. Exceed means increase and its meaning is बढ़ना. The next one is retain. It means to hold on, prevent and its meaning is रोकना या बनाए रखना. Illustrate means explain and Hindi meaning है व्याख्या करना. Deduct इसका मीनिंग है रिड्यूस एंड इसका हिंदी मीनिंग है कम करना. जनरेट, इट मीन्स क्रिएट एंड इसका हिंदी मीनिंग है उत्पन्न करना. प्रेडिक्ट मीन्स फोरकास्ट एंड इट्स हिंदी मीनिंग इज भविष्यवाणी करना. द नेक्स्ट वन इज इम्प्लीमेंट मीन्स एग्जीक्यूट एंड इट्स हिंदी मीनिंग इज कार्यान्वित करना. ट्रायम्फ मीन्स विक्ट्री एंड इट्स हिंदी मीनिंग इज विजय उल्लास. डिराइव मीन्स रिसीव, इट मीन्स प्राप्त करना. यूनैनिमस, इट मीन्स यूनाइटेड एंड इट्स हिंदी मीनिंग इज एकमत. सब्स्टिट्यूट मीन्स रिप्लेसमेंट एंड इट्स मीनिंग इज विकल्प. बायस मीन्स इनइक्विटी, इट मीन्स भेदभाव. द नेक्स्ट वन इज curriculum, it means syllabus and its meaning is पाठ्यक्रम. Frequent means often and its meaning is अक्सर. Reference, it means mention of and its meaning is संदर्भ या निर्देश. Hypothetical, it means imaginary and its meaning is काल्पनिक. Unfettered, it means free and its meaning is स्वतंत्र. Prospect, it means possibility and its हिंदी meaning is संभावना. Preference, it means choice and its हिंदी meaning is चुनाव करना. And the next one is evaluate, it means analyze and its हिंदी meaning is मूल्यांकन करना. Eminent means renowned and its हिंदी meaning is प्रख्यात. And the next one is attribute, it means quality and its meaning is विशेषता. Emerge means appear and its meaning is प्रकट होना. Convert, it means change and its meaning is बदलना. Comprise means include and its meaning is समावेश करना. Inhibit means refuse, it means रोकना या मना करना. Contradict means deny and its meaning is विरोध करना. Perceive means consider and its meaning is समझना. Estimate and its meaning is evaluate and calculate and its Hindi meaning is अनुमान लगाना. The next one is allocate, it means divide and its Hindi meaning is बांटना. Expand means increase and its meaning is बढ़ाना. Validate means confirm, it means मान्य करना. Coordinate, it means together and its meaning is समन्वय. Negligible, it means insignificant and its meaning is बहुत कम. Cynical means sarcastic and its meaning is निंदक. Nourishment and its meaning is nutrition and its Hindi meaning is पोषण. Endeavor means effort and its meaning is प्रयास. Acquire, it means receive and its meaning is प्राप्त करना. The next vocab is sluggish, it means slow and its Hindi meaning is आलसी. Jubilant means joyful and its meaning is ullasit. The next one is courteous. It means polite and its Hindi meaning is vinamra. Substantial. It means sufficient and its meaning is paryapt. The next one is effortless. It means simple and easy and its Hindi meaning is saral. Exquisite means excellent and its meaning is utkrasht. The next one is immediate means near and its meaning is sannikat. Judicious. It means wise and sensible and its Hindi meaning is samajhdar. The next one is mandatory. It means compulsory and its Hindi meaning is anivarya. Nurture. It means take care of and its Hindi meaning is palan poshan. Persist. It means keep going and its Hindi meaning is drid rehna. Exaggerate. It means overemphasize and its Hindi meaning is atishayokti karna. And the next one is empathy. It means sympathy and its Hindi meaning is sahanubhuti. Distinguish. It means differentiate and its Hindi meaning is bhed karna. Perception means insight and its Hindi meaning is dharna. Scenario. It means storyline and its Hindi meaning is paridrashya ya kathanak. Vindicate means clear and its Hindi meaning is sabit karna. The next one is hypothesis. It means theory and its Hindi meaning is parikalpana. Assumption means belief and presumption and its Hindi meaning is manyata. The next one is anticipate. It means predict and its Hindi meaning is andaza lagana. Establish means set up and put in place and its Hindi meaning is sthapit karna. Variable. It means changeable and its Hindi meaning is asthir. Dizzy. It means faint and its meaning is chakkarana. Pleasant. It means pleasing and its Hindi meaning is sukhad. The next one is apparent. It means clear, visible and obvious and its Hindi meaning is prakat and spasht. The next one is accomplish. It means fulfill and its Hindi meaning is pura karna. Prioritize means preference and its Hindi meaning is prathmikta. Hilarious means very funny and its Hindi meaning is ullaspurn. Deduct. It means subtract and its Hindi meaning is ghatana. Ensure means make sure and its Hindi meaning is आश्वस्त करना या सुनिश्चित करना. Jubilant means joyful and its Hindi meaning is ullasit. And the next one is analyze. It means examine and its Hindi meaning is विश्लेषण करना. And the last one is illuminated. It means light and its Hindi meaning is prakashit. So friends, in today's video we have learnt 100 advanced vocabulary with Hindi and English meaning. So if you all found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching the video.